Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're coming from. Welcome back to Dan's Trades. This is Dan. Today is May 28th, day after Memorial Day weekend. Just going to do a quick recap of a trade I just closed out. Probably going to be my one and only for the day. And I just want to give you a brief look. So we're looking at YM over here on the left, ES in the middle, and NQ on the right. And you can see I already got the arrows there. I did execute a trade, a little long. Take a look at maybe why. Looking at some of these lows over here compared to these lows, compared to these lows. Something to take a look at for yourself. And then I did see a fair value gap. We're looking at 5-minute charts here, by the way. So I drew one in here from the close of this candle to the high of this candle to the low of this candle, forms our gap. And we got the long tool here simulating a 20-10 give or take, so risk was going to be about the bottom of that gap, which is where it was, and then target was making some new highs, so we'll drop down to a smaller chart just so you can see it. 1 minute, let's go like the 15-second just to look at it. So as we see, price displaced above, creating this gap. Based on this candle, basically in this one right here. Dipped into it once, closed back above. Then as it was coming to retrace, I wanted to get another order in. Instead of placing a limit order, I did a market order in. 2 contracts at 18,884 and 75 cents. Then I was targeting above these highs. We see the sell at 18,900 and a quarter, right above that. Yes, it did come back down and touch it again. Gave a second entry. Did I take it? No, I did not. Is it still right about where I exited? Yes, it is. Will it run higher? Very possible. Do I care? Absolutely not. I have booked my trade for the day. 18,884. Let's pump that back out to the 5-minute chart. I mean, 2-to-1 trade, risking roughly 10 handles to look for 20 handles. And getting right inside there doesn't have to be exact, but pretty darn close. 15 handles, 60 ticks. That's enough, and I will be content with that for the day. Appreciate all the new people subscribing and listening, so thanks Zeusy for the shout out. I appreciate it. I am just a regular guy learning how to do this, so nothing special here, so you can absolutely do this too. Just find what stands out to you and make it work. I do want to say I have been trading for over a decade, so I'm not brand new at this. I'm not, nothing against you youngsters, but I'm not in my teens. I am drastically on the other side of it, which I think is probably why I enjoy listening to all the ICT rants, because my headspace is about the same. Kind of. My stories go off in tangents when we're talking. It's good times. So, long story short, quick scalp of the day. 2 contracts in, 2 contracts out. We're done for the day. And yes, this is market is open right now. Yes, this is a live account. And that's the other thing is I trade live funds. I'm not doing any funded account challenge or anything like this. This is my personal trading. Again, no advice, entertainment, educational purposes only whatsoever. Never instructing to buy or sell. Just hoping you can get a glimpse into stuff that I've done that might have helped me, and hopefully it helps you along the way. So today will probably be short and sweet. Not looking to start anything crazy, but if you have made it this far, if there's something you're looking for, and I'm not saying I'm teaching anything, because I'm not teaching, I'm not selling. I've been in that boat before. I've been down that road. That could be a whole other discussion for another day. But I'm just sharing what's working for me, and I hope it helps somebody else, because life is short. Tomorrow is not promised for any of us. So please, kiss your loved ones, tell them who they are, and have a great day. Be safe.